Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. And today I'm doing my first ever food review video. So if you like this kind of content, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a brand new video. So today we are going to be reviewing Pedro's beef burger. Now, O Pedro is a restaurant in Bombay. It was started by the late Floyd Cardoz, a great chef, and currently it's being headed by Chef Hussein. And last month was Floyd's birth month, so they had a special menu, and on that menu they had a beef burger. Now, this is not just any beef burger. This was a burger made with bone marrow and beef short rib, and the burger was so popular that it's actually now a fixture on the regular menu. So I decided I'm going to order it and I'm going to do a taste test and give you my review on the burger. And I'm still not very comfortable leaving the house, so I decided to order in, and I ordered it directly from the restaurant because I always feel that supports the restaurant a lot more than ordering it through an aggregator. So, well, I may be wrong, but anyway, I ordered the burger and it came well packed. And what I really like is that the packaging has a barcode on it which you can scan, and it gives you reheating instructions. Because a lot of people don't know how to properly reheat food, especially things like burgers, because they don't travel well. Like, I'm sure you've taken a burger home and eaten it, and compare that to eating it hot and fresh in the restaurant. There's a world of difference. So I'm glad they did that, and the burger comes with a dipping sauce and some potato wedges, and I just heated it up in the oven as per their instructions. And yeah, I mean, maybe I should stop all this jibber jabber and get round to tasting the burger. So you know what? Let's go and taste that delicious burger. Alright folks, so it's time to taste the burger. And full disclosure before I start, this is the second time I'm having this burger. So I've had it previously, I know what to expect, but nonetheless I want to taste it for camera. And I'm going to start with the potato wedges. Now normally I am a person who likes nothing on their potato except salt. Like, I hate it when people put peri peri masala onto wedges and french fries and they put spicy things. I generally don't like it. But these, they are chatpata, as we say in India. When you eat Indian street food, there's always like this chaat masala which is salty and tangy and a little bit sweet. That's what these wedges have on them, like a chaat masala, and this dip has got a little bit of that as well, and it's nice and creamy. I think it's a mayo based dip. You know what? It's the dip, man. And this dip has a bit of heat as well, but not the kind that is too spicy, because I hate spicy food, as you all know. But it's creamy and it's just got that, I'd say not even spice, it's a zing. It's pizzazz. They were good last time, they're good this time as well. But now on to the main event, the double buff burger, the double patty buff burger with cheddar cheese in a milk bun. I'm just going to dig in, guys. And what I really love is they've kept it super simple. There's no tomato, no lettuce, no coleslaw, no hundreds of burger sauces. It's just cheese, beef, a small piece of onion and bread. And let's dig in. The beefiness of that beef is at like beef level. Oh wow. So this burger is a mix of bone marrow and short rib, and those are cut, those are things you don't source easily in India. Like, we have the animals, but you can't find that at your regular butcher shop. And that's also why this burger tastes so different than if you were to eat a beef or a buffalo burger anywhere else in the city. That beefiness is definitely amplified. And the and they're generous with the cheese as well. It's a nice cheddar cheese, not one of those really cheap processed cheese slices. You can tell it's some quality cheese, and the bun holds together well. In fact, I mean, you could have fooled me. I would have thought this is a brioche bun because it's quite rich. And yeah, definitely it is probably the best beef burger in the city right now. I'm sure price is something that is going to be talked about quite a bit when it comes to a burger. You know, paying 750 Indian rupees, which is like $10, maybe $12 for a burger. Most people would probably not want to, but I definitely feel it's worth it. And also, given the fact that it is a fine dining restaurant, it's not really like a, you know, pick up and go kind of place. The price is definitely worth. Like, I don't feel like I've been ripped off with this at all. But yeah, I give it the thumbs up. My thumbs are all greasy, so it's a little hard. Or the horns up actually. So I would give this 4.5 horns on 5 horns. How's that for a rating system? This is the first ever food review on the channel, so why not make up the food rating as well? Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber from me. I'm going to go and get back to enjoying these delicious veggies, this yummy, beefy, and when I say beef, I mean water buffalo burger. And I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. So till then, cheers and keep eating. So good.